more on the properties of the acid. So I'm going to tell you something about how the acid will react with the metal carbonates and bicarbonates, right? So how does this happen? Let's see. Acid when reacts with metal carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonate, it will give out carbon dioxide. Okay. So what happens when it reacts with metal carbonates? Metal carbonates, when reacts with acid, it will give you salt, carbon dioxide and also water. What happens when it is reacting with metal bicarbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate? Same thing. When it reacts with acid, it will give you salt, carbon dioxide and water. Let us take an example of the same. So we have Na2CO3. Na2CO3 is basically washing soda. Okay? So this Na2CO3 is reacting with hydrochloric acid, sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. HCl is hydrochloric acid. NaCl is sodium chloride and carbon dioxide निकला, साथ में पानी भी तो निकला. Carbon dioxide is evolved as a gas. Now is this reaction balanced? No. है ना, यहाँ 2 सोडियम है, we have got only 1 sodium here. Balance करना होगा. हाँ? So Na2, 1 Na, put 2 out here. See the number of carbon atoms, 1 carbon, 1 carbon. Here you have got 3 oxygen, 2 is gone here, 1 here, balanced. Hydrogen, you have got 2 out here and here there is only 1. So what we should do? What we should do for hydrogen? Yes, 2HCl कर दो. तो 2HCl कर दिए तो 2NaCl में 2 Cl में से 1 Cl यहाँ चला गया. 2 hydrogen, you get 2 hydrogen atoms here. So now the reaction is balanced. Now let us consider for sodium bicarbonate, NaHCO3. खाने का सोडा, this is the formula. ठीक है, मम्मी को पूछना खाने का सोडा कहाँ मिलेगा, तो खाने का सोडा मम्मी के किचन में मिलेगा. When this reacts with hydrochloric acid, so क्या मिलेगा? You will get again NaCl, carbon dioxide in the gaseous form and also water. So is this reaction balanced? Let's see. 1 Na, 1 Na, 1H, 1H, 2H, 2H, then 1 carbon, 1 carbon, 3 oxygen के atoms, 2 यहाँ, 1 यहाँ. Balanced है बाबा. कुछ करने का जरूरत नहीं है. Right? So what happens when metal carbonates or metal hydrogen carbonates react with acid? Yes. Salt, carbon dioxide and third water. Remember this? Write the reaction, balance it. Done. ठीक है? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड निकलेगा ना? कैसे निकलेगा? तो बोले बबल्स के फॉर्म्स में से. क्योंकि निकल कहां से रहा है? सॉल्यूशन से निकल रहा है. जब वो सॉल्यूशन से निकलेगा तो बबल्स 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 बन के निकलेगा. ठीक है? So more on the properties of the acid. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड तो निकला, भाई हाइड्रोजन निकला तो भी गैस के रूप में निकला. अब कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड निकल रहा है तो भी आपको गैस के फॉर्म में निकल रहा है. ना हाइड्रोजन का कोई स्मेल था, ना आपका कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड के पास में कोई स्मेल था. So how do you know that whether the gas which is formed is carbon dioxide or something else? For this, we will understand one thing. If excess carbon dioxide gas is passed through the lime water, then white precipitate is formed first, which dissolve due to the formation of a soluble calcium hydrogen carbonate and the solution becomes clear again. तो सबसे पहले हम लाइम वाटर लेंगे. तो हमें ये जानना है भैया लाइम वाटर क्या होता है. लाइम वाटर इज एक्चुअली कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड सॉल्यूशन. नींबू का पानी नहीं है. इट्स नॉट द लेमन वाटर. इट इज CaOH. CaOH का हमको सोल्यूशन निकालनी है और इसको हमको पानी में डालना. क्लियर सोल्यूशन मिलता है. एंड वी हैव गॉट द फोटोग्राफ ऑफ द सेम हियर. इट्स क्लियर लाइम वाटर. व्हेन यू पास carbon dioxide into it, this clear solution will become milky due to the formation of calcium carbonate in it. keep on passing carbon dioxide, the white color milky solid which is formed while passing the carbon dioxide, then that gets dissolved in the solution to give you calcium carbonate ki jagah calcium hydrogen carbonate will be obtained. Now that is again soluble in water. The milkiness here will disappear. So you know the gas which was coming out of this reaction is carbon dioxide. Take lime water, pass carbon dioxide or pass the gas. First it turns into milky solution, turbid हो जाता है, white color की solids form हो जाती है उसके अंदर. अब उसके अंदर keep on passing carbon dioxide. The milkiness disappears. Then you know that the gas which you have passed through, it is a gas which is called as carbon dioxide. Smell कुछ नहीं, आग में चलेगा नहीं, हाँ सिर्फ होता है. ठीक? Understood all of you? Yes. The reactions now. Calcium hydroxide now reacts with carbon dioxide. This is the lime water. ठीक है? अब क्या करना? देखो पहले आपको मिलेगा कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट का व्हाइट प्रेसिपिटेट और साथ में पानी. पानी का तो कोई मतलब नहीं है. हाँ, अब ये जो कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट है उसके अंदर आपके पास और पानी तो ऑलरेडी है और आपने फिर से कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड पास करते रहे तो रिएक्शन आपको मिल जाता है कुछ इस तरीके से. दैट इज कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट प्लस वाटर प्लस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड विल गिव यू calcium bicarbonate which is soluble in water. Right? Now the properties of acid. Here we are going to discuss about the neutralization reaction. So what is this neutralization reaction? Acid reacts with base or alkalis to form salt and water. So here the acidic property is khatam. Basic property is also khatam. You get a neutral salt and water. So this kind of the reaction is called as the neutralization reaction. Acid plus base, salt plus water. Right? ये मिलता है आपको. NaOH plus HCl will give you NaCl plus H2O. Reaction is balanced. Balance it on your own. Let me know. Okay. Now sodium hydroxide HCl gives you NaCl plus H2O. Okay. Sometimes what happens, there are metal oxide. These metal oxides are also basic salt. These metal oxides are also basic in nature. So what happens with metal oxide? Reacts with acid. It will also give you salt plus water. So metal oxide reacts with acid to give you salt plus water. Now example is of that of copper oxide. Copper oxide is a black color substance. This is cupric oxide or copper 2 oxide which reacts with hydrochloric acid to give you CuCl2. That is cupric chloride and also water. So this is also a neutralization reaction. Okay, right. So balance it. What happens? You have got one copper done. One oxygen done. Then there are hydrogen, one on the reactant side and two on the product side. So make it as 2. So 2 hydrogen balanced and you have also got 2 chlorine out here. So here also we have got 2 chlorine. Reaction is now balanced, right? Acids are very corrosive in nature. The mineral acid cause severe burns on the skin, attack and eat up the material like cloth, wood, metal structure, stone, wood. Very corrosive, very dangerous. You have to handle acids very carefully, right? So the 8th property what we have about the acid is they are very corrosive in nature, right? So let us now revise all the properties of the acids one by one. So we have learned acids have a sour taste. Acid turns blue litmus into red. Acid solution conduct electricity, that is they are electrolytes. Acid reacts with metal to form hydrogen gas. Acid reacts with metal carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates to give out carbon dioxide. Acid reacts with base or alkalis to form salt and water, that is neutralization reaction. Acid also reacts with metal oxide to form salt and water. And the last is the acid have a very corrosive nature. Right? All this property from your book, you have to study it in detail, practice all the reactions one by one, write it and practice it. Right? Okay.